In this tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall DuckDuckGo. By the end, you'll completely remove the DuckDuckGo browser from your Windows computer using the built-in Settings app. First, press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard to open Settings. You should see the main Settings window appear. Next, go to Apps. On the left side panel, click Apps to open the section that manages your installed programs. Now, click Installed Apps or Apps and Features depending on your version of Windows. On Windows 11, it's labeled Installed Apps. On Windows 10, it's called Apps and Features. Both take you to the same place where you can manage or remove applications. From here, find DuckDuckGo browser in the list. You can scroll down through the installed programs, or use the search box at the top of this page and type DuckDuckGo to filter the results. Make sure you select DuckDuckGo browser, not any unrelated app with a similar name. Once you see DuckDuckGo browser, click the three dots next to it. This opens the options menu for that application. Click Uninstall. Windows will prompt you to confirm that you want to remove this app. Confirm Uninstall. When the confirmation message appears, click Uninstall again to proceed. If you see a small pop-up asking for permission to make changes, choose Yes. The uninstall process will start immediately. Wait a moment while Windows removes the DuckDuckGo browser. At this point, the app should disappear from the list. If it's still visible, give it a few seconds to refresh or use the search box again to verify it's no longer installed. You can also try opening your Start menu and typing DuckDuckGo. If nothing comes up, the uninstall is complete. That's it. DuckDuckGo browser has been successfully uninstalled from your PC. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.